Hello! In this video, we are going to see the compensation plan of Builderall. Um, in this video, I am talking to you as an affiliate marketer who already know the affiliation. Why I say that is because this compensation plan has several levels of performance with points and things like this. But as an affiliate marketer, we don't have to understand all the points because we will very quickly go to the highest level. It's very easy to achieve, okay? And it's not like it's not easy. It's mandatory to achieve it because if we, it's so easy that if we don't achieve it quickly, it just means that we have no business as an affiliate marketer. Or stick with me because there is something about Builderall. Of course, I will not explain what is Builderall. Huh? You know already, or you can check by yourself. But I'm just talking about compensation plan. And the first thing, which is quite extraordinary, it's not normal, and maybe it's not for you. Let's see. At the end of this page, you will see, and you can decide to leave the video if you want. So, to be an affiliate of Builderall, you have an annual fee of $50. So you have to pay in order to be an affiliate. And I know that this is a big no-no in affiliate marketing. We don't have to pay. Okay. So if you don't want to pay because of because you don't want, then leave this video because there's no way around it. Everybody, whether you have a Builderall account or not, everybody has to pay $50 per year. Now, if you are still here in this video, uh, $50 a year is less than $5 a month. It's nothing, okay? But this is like paying the mafia in order to protect the affiliate market. Because as you can imagine, many newbie, wannabe affiliate marketers will not pay $50 because they all want free for free. They just think about the money, so they are not going to pay $50 for nothing. And also, some seasoned affiliate marketer have, and I understand them, they have principles that they don't want to pay in order to be affiliate. Okay, and I am the same. But in life, there are exceptions to the rule, and Builderall is one of them, in my opinion. And I am an affiliate marketer of Builderall. So anyway, you see this $50. So you are still watching this video. It means you are okay with it. Now for the compensation plan, as I said, there are some levels. Um, we will quickly look at it, but as I said, there is no need to really make the maths depending on this because we are not going to care about it. There are 4 levels and we are on F3. This is so F0, F1, F2, F3. You have some points that you need to have monthly. How do you get the point? It's just based on your sales, or even what if you have bought a Builderall account for yourself, the tool, then you get points for this because of what you pay. So anyway, okay, let's each dollar from personal purchase. So if you have bought an account of $70, the normal account of Builderall, the one you want, the $69. So anyway, it will be 3 points per dollar. And when you sell as an affiliate, you can sell the $29 or the $69. You get 1 point per dollar. For so anyway, if you blah blah blah, I stop here. Anyway, you will get more than 400. You will be F3. This is important because after, for the commissions, recurring commissions, uh, they based it on your level. So we are F3. If not when we start, in 1 month maximum. Okay, well, we will promote it and make a few sales, and that's it. You look at the level. When I said it's easy, they say you are F3 from 500 points. Okay, if you buy yourself Builderall, which I think you should. I mean, it's a good tool for affiliate marketer. Of course, we have other tools already, but why not? Are you really on tight budget? No, or maybe. But anyway, I bought it. I have it. Maybe you will buy it. So if you buy it, $70 per month. So you get already 210 points. Okay, so you have 300 points to have 300 points. If you sell another 69 dollars plan, you can do the math. It's only three or four that you have to sell. It's nothing. So then you will be free. Okay. So how do we earn? In first, when you sell, it's a subscription based, so you get recurring commissions. But for the first month of your sale, you get 100% commission. So $69 plan, you get $69 commission. It's good. And then the other months, for as long as the customer stay, there's no limit, you get $20 per month for a sale of this plan 69. You get $20, so it's about 30%. Okay, and every 3 months you get an additional $15. So for someone, a customer who will stay 1 year, you will earn this $15 four times. So we can average it that you earn $25 per month. Okay, recurring. So this is for the $69 plan. Then you have the $29 plan. Here it's $8 and $6 every 3 months. So it's $10. So you see $10 for the 29 plan, recurring, and 25 for the $69 plan. Of course, for the $29 plan, it's the same. The first month you earn 100%, so you earn $29 the first time, and then let's say an average of $10 recurring commission. And so this, okay, you understand, you sell Builderall plans, only 2 plans, 69 and 29. So you can find out what is the difference, but you sell some. For the 69, you earn 100% the first month, and then a recurring of $25. For the $29 plan, first month 100%, and the recurring is $10 on average. And you have also a car bonus. It's called a car bonus because of history, but it's not about cars. In fact, it's just you earn $50 per month for every time you have. So it's some points. So let's say it's about 10 every 10 $69 plans that you sell when they are recurring. So you have 10 customers at $69, you get $50 more in addition to your commission already. So let's do the math. Recurring for 69 is $25. So you have 10 people. You already earn $250 per month on average. And then you get another additional $50, so it's $300 a month for 10 customers at the $69 plan. But since it's based on points, you can have 10 customers at $69 plan, or you can have more customers at the $29 plan. It doesn't matter. It's about the points. And for your customers, $1 that they pay equals 1 point for you. So that's all they did it. And there is no limit for this bonus. So you earn $50 per month for every 690 recurring points. So if you have 20 customers at 69, then you get $100 more every month. This is the car bonus. So this table, you don't have to look at it because we are always affiliate F3 at this level. So you only look at this column. What is this column? It's the multi-level affiliation. It's not about selling Builderall. It's about uh, inviting other affiliate marketers, a bit like I'm doing in this video, because in this video I'm talking to you about the compensation plan. So for sure you are interested in reselling Builderall. And those uni-level bonus, they are multi-level, so you have only 3 levels of affiliates that you can invite into Builderall affiliate program. So level 1, let's take an example. You invite one affiliate, okay, and he is now on your level 1. So if he sells Builderall accounts, you earn a commission on their sale. They earn their own commissions and everything like you, but you earn also because you have invited them. When you invite them, you know the $50 per year, the fee, there is no commission on this. This go directly to the company. You don't make money for inviting affiliates when they pay their annual fee. You only earn from those affiliates when they sell Builderall. And this table, so this is a table for the $29 plan, and you have the same table for the $69 here. You can see the commission. And as I said, just look at the last column, this one, because we are F3, okay? And so when one of your customers on level 1, so your direct, not customer affiliate, your direct affiliate, when he sells the $69 plan, you earn every month $8. In fact, this is every month, but the first month. The first month you don't earn the commission. I think because you know the 100% goes to the affiliate who sold to the customer. So I don't think you earn $8 for the first month, but you earn $8 for all recurring months. But this is not true, and we don't care anyway. 1 month, it's nothing. I mean, a customer, if he stays only 1 month and then cancel, it's not really a sale that we made. When you sell Builderall, it should be like for years, because the customer will use it and cannot cancel his account, because he will create something with his account and then is like stuck with it. So that's why it's a good product to be an affiliate of. And so let's go back to this table for the $69 plan. You see you earn $8 when they sell your affiliate. But then you have other levels, level 2, level 3, and this is only um, they are like affiliate. How to have an affiliate level 2? You need to have a customer or an affiliate of your level 1, let's say, that will invite other affiliate. And then they will be their affiliate. Okay, of course, they are level 1 affiliate, but for you, there will be your level 2 affiliates. And the same for level 3, they need to be invited by some affiliates or customers of your level 2. And as you can see on the column F3, you earn $8 for every level. So it doesn't matter your affiliate, which level they are from, you earn $8 per month recurring. And for the $29 plan, so always last column, you earn $3. So it's like 10% of recurring. I'm going to read maybe there is a precision about the recurring or not for the first month. Every time a customer pays the Builderall monthly fee, you earn. Well, okay, they don't say if you earn also on the first month, but we don't care. So to summarize, because this is the end of the compensation plan, as you see, it's a very easy to understand. First, we are on affiliate F3 level. Okay, those other levels, they are for when you just start, so it's not important. All the precision that they put, they are information that you don't need. You just need to know you will be very quickly F3. Okay, there's no problem about that. So when you look at commissions, recurring commissions on your multi-levels for your other affiliates, you can look here. Okay, because the level 0, in fact, your own sales doesn't depend on your level of F3, F2. No, those levels, they are only for the multi-level commission from your own affiliates. So it's very easy. F3, you are F3. Here, the commissions, don't need to look at this, just divide this by 3 and add it to the monthly commission. So you get $25 on average recurring for a sale of the $69 plan. Only the first month, instead of $25, you earn 100% of the sale. For the 29 plans is the same, 100% first month, and then recurring is divide this by 3 and add it here, so it's about $10 per month recurring. Then you have the car bonus, so-called car bonus, which is $50 per 690 recurring points. So it means $690 that your customers are paying to Builderall, because $1 equals 1 point for your customers, and for your own, what you pay to Builderall, $1 is 3 points for you. But they don't count. They don't count. Those are only your sales. So for every, let's say, 10 sales of $69, then you get a recurring commission, recurring bonus of $50 for as long as you have those 10 sales. And you can increase. When you are 100, you have 100 customers at 69, then you get an additional bonus of $500. And that's the history of this car bonus. Why is it called car bonus? Because before this new compensation plan, it was when you the first bonus was when you have 100 active customers, you get a bonus of $500, so you can rent a car, the car of your dreams, you know. But it was like this: 100 and 200, you had the $1,000 bonus, car bonus, to rent an even better car. But now it has been simplified and it's better because you can start to have this bonus as soon as 10 sales of the $69. And it's still called car bonus, but anyway. And that's it for the bonus, for the money. That's it. Now we can look at simulation. So it's not about, there is no promise of your own earnings. As you know, I'm not going to say, oh, you are going to sell 10. No, maybe you are going to sell 0, especially if you cannot sell anything. But if you know how to sell, if you know what to do, yes, you will sell for sure. I mean, even me, I'm not English. I try to promote it in English. If you are still in this video, you are one of the rare people who can stand my accent. I am doing videos in English because that way I think it will improve my speaking. But at the moment, and for several months after, I know that those videos are unbearable. I can understand. But if you can talk English, or you can sell in your own language. Me, I'm French. I sold about 100 accounts in French. But I can tell you that the efforts compared to the results are not, I'm not interested anymore. So I stopped promoting in French. I don't want to convince people so much, make so much effort for 1 out of 1,000 to buy Builderall. If they don't want to buy because it's not perfect for them, because it's not all in French, they miss out a lot by not being able to understand English. So I don't want to convince them. They can take something else or nothing. I don't care. So now I'm doing it in English. I love English. I understand perfectly, but the problem is the way I speak, because I don't live in a country where we speak English. But it will improve. So let's do this simulation. I mean, maybe you don't need it. You can leave the video anyway, because I will talk about this simulation and then I will end it. And so if you want to be my affiliate or my customer, you have the links in the description of this video, or here you can look, you type Builderall rockstar.com and you register from this site. Then you will be my customer or my affiliate, and then of course we can talk more, because as you saw, I am directly involved into your success. If I can help, for sure, I can give you everything I have, because I know that when you sell something, it's like if I sold myself a little bit like this. So anyway, here is a simulation, personal sales and purchase. Let's say you bought one plan $69, you get 207 points. So this of course you should buy it, of course, just for the experience. And $70 per month, it's a motivation for you to earn even more, so that you don't pay, in fact, your Builderall, because it's paid by the commission already. So you have one account, 69, and you have sold 10, 79 accounts. Congratulations, you have sold this. First month commission on your 10 personal sales, you earn $700. And you get a lot of points, so you are qualified as affiliate F3, of course. So this is the first month, 700. Then personal recurring commission, because you have sold, you bought one, you sold 10, and 3 of your personal customers upgraded to affiliate. So they want to become affiliate, they need to pay $50 per year, and you don't earn a commission on those $50. But 3 of them did it. You earn $20 commission per sales on your 10 personal sales. So here I say on average, with the 3 months bonus, retention bonus, you can, in your head, you can say it's 25. So, but recurring, you earn $200 recurring, plus extra $150 every 3 months, because it's $15, you understand? Plus an extra $50 car bonus. And you get the qualifying point, so you are still F3. Okay, but you have three affiliates now. Now, let's say level 1, 3 affiliates, each one can sell 10 sales of the $69. So you have now 30 customers on level 1. And remember, you earn, I think it was $8 recurring per month. So now it's, well, yes, $8 per sales on 30 levels, 30 level 1 sales. So you earn $240 recurring in addition, just for your level 1. But let's say that on those $30, no, those 30 customers, the same as before, the $30, now you have 9 affiliates for level 2. Because, let's say, it's just for the simulation. So now you have 3 at level 1 and 9 at level 2. So each one of those 9, they sell 10 69 plan. So you get, well, yeah, I will go quickly, but $8. So now times 90 is 720. Now level 3 is the same, blah blah blah. You have 27 affiliates, level 3, each one sell 10, blah blah blah. 270 customers, so you earn $2,160 recurring, because it's still $8 per sale and per month. So the total, 10 personal customers, $200, car bonus, $50, 30 level 1 customers, 90 level 2 customers, 270 level 3 customers, blah blah blah. Total $3,370. Of course, the reality. You control your own actions, your own effort, your own work. You don't control what other people do. Of course, it will be so nice when you get one affiliate, he will do the same as yourself. So sell 10, like even you to sell 10. Maybe if you are good, you can sell more. But if you are normal, 10 is already a goal to achieve. So for you as a worker, but when you get an affiliate, a new one, who knows what he will do? Maybe he will be better than you, but in my experience, I'm not good. I'm not good at this, but in my experience, the people who are affiliates under me, they are even less good than me. So even if I'm lazy and things like this, I work more or I have more results than my affiliates. It's been my experience, not only in Builderall, it's everywhere. Everywhere where you can have affiliates under you. Uh, for instance, something in French, I have over 700 affiliates, and I should earn $1 each time they make a sale, any sale. And on this platform, I earn about $0 to $2 per month from those 700 affiliates. So it means that one of them or two of them, maybe they sell one per month, and sometimes zero. And that's the reality of things. So in this simulation, when you have 3 affiliates and each one sell 10, maybe in your dreams, but the reality, of course, like the lottery, when we play the lottery, we play because we uh, hope that we will win the jackpot. In reality, nothing happened. We never earn the jackpot, never win the jackpot. But some people, they have played the lottery and they have won the jackpot. Very few people, but now they are multimillionaires, and that's how it works for this. Because you can have the luck of having a new affiliate who come in and he is a super affiliate. He will sell not 10 but 100, 1000. He will be a big affiliate. If you are lucky, it's like the lottery. So if this happens, yes, then you will earn a lot of money. You will have a lot of customers at $8 a month, or I don't remember, $3 a month for the 29. You will have a lot of customers, lot of commission from this single individual because he is exceptional. But the normality will be even less than what you do. If you are working, you want to improve, then you are already in the top 1% of people, even of affiliates. So you have to keep that in mind. But for this simulation, it's just to help you understand the compensation plan, how it could work, or it will be maybe more or maybe less. For most people who will be an affiliate of Builderall, most people, they will earn like nothing, maybe $50 a month, maybe. You know, but you have some exception. As in everything, you have people who are earning tens of thousands of dollars every month from commission. They have many affiliates, many customers in multi levels. Yes, they exist, and they are. Um, you can see them on the Facebook groups of Builderall. Everywhere they exist. But most of the affiliates, they don't sell. But of course, you have to look at what they do. They also don't do much compared to the one who earn a lot because they work a lot. It's like their main job every day. And they have built offers, they have built sales funnels to sell Builderall and to sell the affiliate program also. They have everything like this, and then they produce content, videos, articles, maybe they even pay traffic, advertisement. They are working full time on this. They have built an empire, and the traffic comes in, and then they make sales, and then the affiliates they get in, they also get sales. Some of them get sales, but they have so many that it makes a total that can make you dream. But the dreams, they are only dreams for most people, the majority of people. Those are the exception to the rule. I don't want to make you depressed, but just to understand that when you will understand it and be committed a lot, doing videos and everything, then you will be where you can make sales, you can increase your sales, okay? But you will see your own level of commitment, and other people that you will invite to be an affiliate, they also need to reach this level of commitment in order to make some sales. And it's not as this is a simulation of the dream. You get 3 affiliate and each one sell 10 account. No, it's not happening like this. But it's just a simulation. Okay, it's not a promise at all. On the contrary, what I'm telling you is a reality. And I don't think anyone can tell me, oh no, you are too negative. No, I'm not negative. I feel I'm even positive by saying that you can do it. Maybe you can't, I don't know. Uh, you know inside of you if you are ready to be committed, or maybe you have some success already before as an affiliate marketer, and that will help you because you already understand that it's not so easy. Uh, earn 500 a day just by posting on Facebook. You know that this is not true, it's just a marketing message. So there, yes, you have it in your head. So to conclude this video, I will we go back to the $50. You know, this if you're an affiliate, it's not common to see you have to pay. And for me, this is good once you are accepted because it protects the affiliate market. A bit like, high import taxes protect the economy of a country. Some people, they are against those taxes on importation. They want a free market everywhere. Yeah, but you are a country, some people work in the country, they pay taxes. So by paying taxes, it's like paying the mafia of the country. And the country, a good country, needs to protect its market. Because it protects the people who pay the country. So it's like paying the mafia a bit for protection. And this is good because it protects the affiliate market. The affiliate, it means those who are accepted to pay the mafia. Okay? And it's nothing per month. It's less than $5 a month. What it will do, it will remove, it will prevent a lot of noise, because if it's free, you have a lot of wannabes affiliate marketer or even experienced affiliate marketer will just add this product, Builderall, and they will produce a few videos, a few blog articles, and post on Facebook about the affiliate link. And even if it's one video, one article per person, because it's free, you will have thousands of persons trying at least once, and it creates a lot of noise on the internet of content with Builderall, with their affiliate link. And with this fee, whether we like it or not, it protects, because it removes this noise. This noise won't exist because only those who have accepted to pay, so very few, will produce content in order to promote their affiliate link. So in a way, you pay for cleaning internet, for keeping the internet clean of wannabe, of noise. So that's why I made an exception, because Builderall as a product is very good. It's excellent, not on a lot of fronts, not only the product itself, but the community. But it's not a video about selling to you Builderall, but do your research, and you will see Builderall can be needed by everyone. Every person on the internet who has a business in any kind of business, they could use Builderall. So it's a big market, potential market. And as an affiliate, it's good to have a subscription-based product for recurring commission. So you can build your monthly earnings little by little, month by month. You add the customer. Some of the customers, they leave, but some of them will stay for years. Once they have established, they have started to use the product, then they are kind of stuck into it, because there is no reason for them to move to use other tools. They have every tool they need inside one. They have set up all their sales funnel. Why would they move to a competitor? And which competitor exactly? Go back to using WordPress, installing plugins and everything, or go back to another tool who have only a small subset of the tools of Builderall. Maybe, but some people, they will stay for years. And for you, it means recurring commission for years from this one customer. And then you have the multi-level affiliates. This will be hard because, of course, you have to have people committed because they pay. So they are committed to at least break even quickly. So the first commission on the 69 plans, it already pays for the annual fee and with profit. But you have to find those people with the mind, not the mind of want everything free and things like this. You need to make them invest first, commit to paying to have nothing, just the right to be an affiliate. And then maybe if they buy the Builderall, then they are your customer as well, so you can earn from their own affiliate Builderall account. Who knows? Anyway, but those multi-level affiliates can also earn you more money. But what is most important is your own work, your own performance, and it reflects also in the commissions. If you earn $8 per month on recurring on your affiliates sales, but yourself you earn 25, let's say 25. So it's 3 times more. So you know when you do a sale yourself, to have the same amount you need your affiliates in any level to sell 3 accounts. So it's better that by your own work you sell 10, 20 accounts yourself, not wait for the affiliates to do it. The affiliates, when they sell, it's a bonus for you, that's it. But focus on your own work. That's the only thing you have control on. I'm not talking about training your affiliates in order for them to sell more, because the training, it's you can do it and you can offer your affiliates some free training that you have done, but you cannot do the work for them. So training is okay, but will they work? Will they commit as much as you can allow yourself to be committed to this? Not sure. Huh? In my experience, it never happened so far. I was never lucky enough to find a super affiliate in my downline. Never happened. But it can happen because the top affiliates of Builderall, they have been introduced by someone at some point in time, and there are many already successful affiliates with other products who are still not affiliates of Builderall. So maybe a good strategy would be to target those people, try to find the good affiliates, and you talk to them about it, and try to get them to become an affiliate of Builderall and make them see why it's interesting. And if you're lucky, they join under you. They won't go looking for another sponsor, and they will join under you, and then you keep the relationship going and motivate them, and they already have the know-how to do the skills, and maybe you will be lucky. So you can help yourself with luck by taking some time to target those people, the super affiliates who don't have Builderall yet. Target them on YouTube and so, and talk to them. You can spend some time every day doing that. You will increase your chances of winning the lottery. Then it won't be a lottery because you target the good affiliate already. This maybe can be a thing to do. Now that I think about it, I thought about it before, but I didn't do it. No, if you can commit to that, like take a Excel sheet and put the names of the people, the affiliates, good affiliates that you know already on YouTube, put them, then try to find their contact, their social network, and join them and communicate with them. Just write if they say no one time, okay. If you do that seriously, it could be a strategy also, because those people, they probably will sell 3, 4, 5 times more than you. So it's at this point it will become like if you are selling yourself. If one affiliate can sell 3 times as much as you, it's like if you sold, but it's an addition to your own sales. So it's very good. Okay, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry for everything, the English and all, but I think I improve over time. So come back in 1 year on my videos, and maybe it will be better, faster. Bye bye.